Looking for a more affordable one-bedroom Whistler Village condo ownership option? Well, we've got just the ticket with Suite 1533 at the Delta Hotels by Marriott Whistler Village Suites. So let's head inside and have a look. As you enter Suite 1533, you step right into the entry and you've got the dining area and kitchen to your left, which opens up to the living room. The living room features a cozy gas fireplace and a pull-out sofa bed, as well as a desk area to get some work done. From the entry, you can also walk straight through the bathroom and into the bedroom featuring a queen bed. There's also a separate door to go through to the bedroom from the living room. The suite features a full kitchen, which is something you don't get in most condo hotel buildings in Whistler. There's also a full washer dryer and an owner closet that you can keep locked with any items you'd like to keep in Whistler while you're not here. And off the living room, there's a covered deck with views of the inner courtyard and the swimming pool area with sunny southwest exposure. The Delta Hotels by Marriott Whistler Village Suites also features a full gym along with hot tubs and a wonderful heated swim out pool. And don't forget that the hotel is located right in the heart of Whistler Village for easy access to all the shopping and nightlife that Whistler's so famous for. The hotel is within easy walking distance of both gondolas, but also has a shuttle bus to take you anywhere around town that you'd need. Ownership at the Delta Whistler Village Suites is governed by the Phase 2 restrictive covenant, which allows owners to use their condo for 56 days a year. When you're not staying in your suite, the rental management is handled by the Delta Hotels by Marriott, giving you a nice stream of revenue. For a full breakdown on how Phase 2 ownership in Whistler works, just click here. So what do you think? Could this hotel condo suite at the Delta Hotels by Marriott Whistler Village Suites work for you? Let me know in the comments or shoot me a message at my contact details below. Now, if you want to keep watching more great videos, I've got a playlist right here. If you never want to miss another, just subscribe.